Bayti Real Estate is delighted to offer this office space in the Bayan building located in Dubai Investment Park. At 664 square foot, this unit is finished to a high standard and offered as fitted. The unit is situated on a low floor. The unit is bright, compact and ready to move in. Public transport is available to and from the DIP metro station, and with a good range of local amenities, this is a perfect area to position your business. To arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details provided in the description.